Is this Romania? It looks like a fairy tale.
A real one, Bucharest, the capital.
And it is beautiful.
Welcome to Romania. I am Elena.
A teacher, not a guide. What do you teach?
I teach history at a small school in Transylvania. My grandmother told me all the legends. Now I tell you.
Your scarf is very red. Is it special?
My grandmother wore it. My grandmother wore it every winter, for 60 years. This forest on both sides, 500 years old.
500 years. The trees remember every winter. Dracula lived there. He actually lived in that castle.
Well, that is the legend. The truth is more interesting. Vlad was not a monster. He protected Romania. People feared him. So the legend grew and grew. 600 years ago, these stones placed by hand.
Does the castle feel different inside to you?
My grandmother said she heard the castle breathing at night.
Breathing? Did you ever hear it?
Breathing. Once. When I was your age. Just once.
I knew it! Anna! The castle breathes! Peter, the castle does not breathe. Elena heard it! When she was my age, she heard it!
Every morning, Vlad saw this exact view. The most beautiful and strange landscape I ever saw.
I drew the castle, and you, with your red scarf.
You drew my scarf. That means something.
Do you think it knows we were here?
Oh yes, oh yes. The castle all. My grandfather built part of this road. In 1962.
Your grandfather? This exact road we are driving on?
Every day for 2 years. Carrying stones. For this road. So people could reach the monastery. He never went in.
Wow, look at all the paintings!
It is beautiful, isn't it?
Truly
500 years, painted in rain and cold, still here. How is the color still so vivid after 5 centuries? My grandfather built the road to this place.
He never came inside. Why not?
I built the road. The monastery is for others. Some give without taking back. He was like that.
I took off my hat.
Like you asked. Your grandfather would be proud of you. If he knew you. This forest is older than any castle or legend.
It feels like it is watching us.
The forest remembers every war, every winter, every person who walked here.
How do you know that?
My grandmother told me. Her grandmother told her. Old knowledge passes through women and scarves and stories.
Look what I found, Elena. What do I do with it?
Keep it. The forest chose you, not nothing.
this light. I have never photographed light like this before.
The forest creates its own light. It always has. Elena, tell me about the scarf. Really, she wore it the day she met my grandfather. 1958. She wore it every winter until 82 years old. The last winter, she said, "Now you carry the warmth." She was beautiful. All Romanian grandmothers are. Now you carry the warmth. Beautiful words.
Shh! Everyone stop!
I can hear the forest. What does it sound like?
Very slow, very old breathing.
Yes, exactly what it sounds like. My village. I was born in that house there.
You still live here? Near the forest and castle?
Yes. Where else would I live? This is where the stories are. This is sarmale. My mother made it this morning, just for you.
Just for you. What is inside it? It is rice and meat inside and oh.
Romanian grandmothers put love inside. The secret ingredient.
Much better. How?
Romanian corn, Romanian water, Romanian hands. That is how.
Tell me the story, Elena. All of it.
Now you are ready to hear it. A dragon who fell in love with a mountain.
A dragon in Romania? Of course there is one.
In Romania, the fire tells stories when people are quiet.
The fire is telling one right now.
The spine of Romania. They hold everything together.
The spine, like they are the skeleton of the country.
I can't believe we are finally here.
Welcome home, Elena.
They are bigger than the world.
That is exactly right. That is exactly what they are. I come here when I need to remember what is important.
What do you remember when you stand here?
I am very small, and that is okay.
Small is enough. I like that. Small is enough. Writing it down.
We should have come to Romania years ago.
We came at exactly the right time. I think Elena knew.
Look at that's absolutely perfect.
Wow, it is so beautiful.
It really is, Elena.
Why tell legends, Elena? You know the real facts.
Facts tell what happened. Legends tell why it mattered.
Phone away. I just want to see this one myself.
The wisest thing anyone said all week.
For you. So you have Romania in drawings, always.
I am always in Romania. Romania is always with me. I found this in the forest 20 years ago. Now you carry it. A piece of Romania.
Yours.
You came expecting Dracula. What did you find?
A breathing forest, a warm scarf, and a stone. And a stone.
Come back. Romania will remember you were here.
We will remember Romania for the rest of our lives.
Fact. What happened? Legend. Why it mattered. Romania has many facts, and even more legends.
Ancient means very, very old. Like the Transylvania forest. Medieval means from the Middle Ages. Like Bran Castle.
To carry means to hold something with you always. To belong means to be from a place. I belong here.
Comment below. Did you know Romania was this beautiful? What surprised you most? Tell us in the comments.
Romania is waiting for you. The forest remembers everyone who comes. Subscribe for more slow English stories. Every week, The forest remembers.